box truck ahead. Oh my goodness, look at that. Woo! Okay, he's going to get squeezed in there. He's going to get squeezed in, and there's the collision. Took the door off. Okay, let's see what condition the driver's in. Okay, wow. Did you see that? My goodness. Okay, let's see what happened to the driver here. Did he suffer any kind of injury when that box truck took the door off? It literally ripped that door off here.
Oh my God! Dude, you forgot the rims! Ох ты ж, блядь, два дебила, нахуй.
Feels like.
God, look who's behind us.
Oh.
There's a Camaro right behind us driving up our ass that performed some of the worst driving we have ever seen this morning.
Yeah,
I'm going to pull out of the way because this guy is going to have a crash, and I don't want to be part of it. He cuts mad. Whoa! And there, he almost killed somebody.
Yep.
Right there. So.
Да? Представляешь? Ой, ёб... Вот ты...
It looks like asphalt, but this batch has a special ingredient.
Oh my God!
No, I have not.